What's up guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna make the experiment 2 entitled the Breadboard Experimenter. So before we start our experiment, so the materials needed are
5 volts power supply, hooked up wires, 8 pieces leads, and 8 pieces 1 key ohms resistors, and also we need breadboards.
the materials are ready, so we will gonna make our experiment for today. Build our circuit, so let's test our circuit. Let's test if the circuit works. That's all for today. Hope you learned something. Bye bye.